Welcome everyone. So we have bought some accessories for our DJI Action 5 Pro camera. So in last video we have unboxed and now we are unboxing this related accessories. Let's see what it is inside the box. So okay, let's unpack it. Good packing. By the way, we have ordered from Hungary EU, and they have shipped from the Netherlands, and they have used DHL service, which is quite fast also. That's good. This order at our home address just in 2 or 3 days max. So you can see the receipt packing list. We have this box. These 3 items contains. First one is Osmo Action mini extension rod. Second one is Osmo Action battery case for the charging. The third one is one extra battery plus 1940 mAh. Okay, let's keep it here. And now mini extension rod. So as you might be aware, let me open it. So the second one is the battery 1950 mAh. I think it will last for 4 hours. We'll see it. And the fourth one is charging case. So you can plug all 3 batteries and it will charge. Once it is finished, you can use another one. Okay. So we have 3 things, and these are the accessories for this Action 5 Pro: charging case, stick, extra battery. Opening this. By the way, we have ordered this from the DJI official store only. So this is stick. This way we open this. So okay, and this is again the magnetic one. This way you can adjust it. Okay, so stick. So now it is tight, fixed. Okay, so this way you can mount it. It's a magnetic one. You can unflip the wings and adjust as per you need. This is fixed. It can be a studio camera as well. So this is again, you can move as per your angle, and you can remove this cup also, but not needed. So this way now you can, I will show you like this. You can see this much. I think 1 hand, 2 hand. Yes. So this way, it's not a long stick, but I think it is as like tripod. The best thing is you can switch to any direction. Okay, so this is it. Now I'm removing this. Okay, so this way you can also like record. Now I'm removing this from here, keeping here. Okay, so the next thing is the battery. For battery, we need to remove this hard case which protects camera and its body. By the way, it comes with the default installation only. Let me remove it. It's very hard. Okay, keeping here. And now unpacking the battery. So now I'm packing the battery sticker. So in this you will get this much only. This is again the case. So this is the battery. You can see this. You can scan if it is original or not. It will redirect you. And this is 950 mAh. This is extra battery. Suppose if you are recording day in day out, so this can be used for long videos as well. So now third thing comes with charging. Now this is a DJI charging case for the Action camera. By the way, this can I think also use for your mobile charging. You can use it as an external power bank. Okay, it's a black color. Okay, now it is not charged, I believe. You can see we have inserted the battery, it's charging case. You can see the orange part, and I think it comes with the C type, so you can use any power cable which is compatible with C. Okay, now what we are going to, I'm also removing the old battery and I'm trying to put it. This is very good, like if you want to remove the battery with this slip, just extract it. Okay, keep it again here, again the wrong side, you need to be on the right side, then only it will come. So now 2 batteries, I think 2 batteries are enough when you are shooting for a long day. I think that one battery will go for 4 hours, the other is 4 hours. You can insert it for, and after that you can use the other one.